Okay, I'm out here with Maria taking some video of our finished project at her home. She had to replace the siding and some of the boards on the eaves. And then it was all painted. Even the garage door received a new coat of paint. Looks awesome. And if we come around this way, you'll see that they did the same thing over here. They had to replace all the siding, and some of the fascia boards were replaced. They took down the columns that were holding up the front and replaced them with something a little more modern and up to date. Just, it looks really good. And repainted all of that. And now we're going to walk around to what actually I guess is the front of the house. She has beautiful large trees here. And we'll see there was more fascia boards here that were replaced and painted. And I think they even did they paint underneath?
Yes.
The porch area here? They did on the other side. I didn't get that. I should have.
Yeah, they put a new light bulb, light system in there and replaced all the wood on the.
Oh, wow, yeah.
This is awesome. This is a beautiful, beautiful job.
Well, that is. It looks really good. Looks nice. Now you see those big, beautiful trees. Look at that one. It's really huge. A kid would love to play on that. And then here we have...
See, this area here was falling apart completely. He replaced all that and straightened it out because that was all crooked.
Looks really nice.
And this over here was the worst part.
Okay, so she's saying this side was the worst part.
Yes.
And I know you had to have the electric company come out and unhook the electric.
So good. The Steve called, got the number of the guy, and he came back and said before the time the guy came in and got it also hooked up.
So about how long was your electric off? Was it off more than one day or half a day? Or
half a day, because it was back on, they took it off about 8 o'clock in the morning, and by 2 o'clock we got it back.
Wow.